It's a dolphin. What? Where'd they go?
We're gonna cut him in half. There they are right there, bud. Look.
Wow.
Picking them up. Picking them up. Stole them from you. Here we are. Wakatobi.
Wakatobi!
Where'd they go?